once you've uploaded your video onto YouTube, it's important to create a nice looking thumbnail so that you can get more clicks on your videos. I'm here on Google and I typed in digital marketing course review just so I can take a look at the thumbnails for each listing. Now, I've never heard of a course named digital marketing course review, but I just wanted to make an example here for this video. And just looking at the listings here, the one that gets my attention the most is the one on the bottom because of the thumbnail. So I'm showing this to you just so you know that, hey, videos with thumbnails are more likely to get attention and the clicks. Okay, and if I were to go to my YouTube page, here's some more examples of some nice looking thumbnails. Now, to create your thumbnail, there's a free tool that you can use. It's called canva.com, and you just sign up for a free account. And what's great about this tool is that you can create all types of graphics, everything from ebooks to infographics to banner ads to other social media posts. And there's one specifically here for YouTube thumbnails right here. So let's just click on this and you'll be presented with more templates. So you can choose any of these templates here, and you can even upload your own pictures. Okay, but let's just say you choose this one here, and let's just say I'm gonna do a review for a winter jacket. So you could easily edit the text here: review of ABC winter jackets. Okay, you can edit this text and you can move this text too. And when you are satisfied with the image that you've created here, you would just click on download.